Hi everyone, today I'm going to unboxing this Mi Smart LED bulb essential light. Thanks. So I'm going to make a time lapse. Let's enjoy. So I'm going to show you the box inside. So this is the instruction book. So this is how the bulb look like.
This is my final test setup for my Mi Smart LED bulb essential. So I already control the light using my iPhone by downloading the Mi Home app. So I setting the light using a flow. I also can change it to the white color now, and also I can change manually the color I like. You can see it's the orange change to blue. This is very soft. The intensity of the light I can control to the Mi Home as well. I also can change a lot of color that I like through the Mi Home apps. And this is the purple color and control the power, and this is a red color. This is a yellow, green, and blue. So hope you like my video. Please leave me a comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for everyone for this second version of my test setup for this video. Hope you like it. See you. This is how I'm going to use a Mi Home app in my iPhone. I press the power button to off the light remotely. So now it's off. Hope you like my video. Thank you.